3 altcoins that whales are buying for potential gains in June. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Crypto Joel. Today I will share with you with these 3 cryptos whales are buying more for the month of June. So the number 1 altcoin, or this is a meme coin. The leading meme coin is the Doge. Is among the assets crypto whales are accumulating for potential gains in June. This trend is reflected in the recent surge in Doge accumulation among whales wallets holding between 1 million and 10 million tokens. According to Sentiment, this group of Doge whales added 30 million tokens to their wallets over the past week. Such buying activity by whales often serves as a strong signal to retail traders, seeing large investors confidently increase their position can encourage retail participation. This could drive up Doge's value as buying momentum builds across the market. If buying pressure subsists, the token could resume its rally and climb to 0.206. The second altcoin, or this is the layer 1 coin or token, is the Avalanche or the AVAX. Layer 1 or the L1 coin AVAX is another asset crypto whales are holding for gains in June. This is reflected by the 474% uptick in the coin's large holders' net flow in the past 7 days. Large holders are whale addresses that hold more than 0.1% of an asset's circulating supply. Their net flow tracks the difference between the coins they buy and the amount they sell over a specific period. When an asset large holder's net flow increases, more of its tokens are flowing into the wallets of this major investor than are flowing out. This trend indicates that AVAX whales are accumulating the asset, signaling confidence in its future value. AVAX could witness a rebound and surge to $24.28 if whale accumulation continues. The third and the last altcoin in which whales are accumulating more are the Quant or QNT. Quant has defied this week's broader market downturn, posting 7% gains. The token's near 10% rally appears to be fueled by renewed investor interest following the launch of Overledger Fusion, a Layer 2.5 network designed to bridge institution, enterprises, and decentralized finance ecosystem. It has already been a surge in whale accumulation, indicated by the 1,083% rally in the token's large holders' net flow over the past week. This uptick signals growing confidence in Quant short-term performance and hints at the likelihood of the further rallies as large investors increase their exposure. But remember, the market is up and down. Maybe in June, most of the whales who are accumulating these 3 tokens or coins will sell their whole token. But these 3 tokens, the Doge, the AVAX, and the Quant, will gain, likely increase their value in the month of June. But always remember, this is an educational purpose only, not a financial advice. Always do a research before investing in any cryptos. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, Crypto Joel. Thank you.